99% of people sound like a 1990s textbook when they ask for a recommendation.
Wait, really? I always say, what do you suggest?
Exactly. It's too formal and honestly, it's a bit boring for daily life.
So what should I say instead if I want to sound natural?
Today, I'm giving you the 3 phrases that will make you sound like a local instantly. Lesson 1, stop asking for suggestions and start asking for go-tos.
Go-tos? Like a place you go to frequently?
Precisely. Try asking, what's your go-to coffee shop around here?
That sounds way more relaxed. Is it okay for food too?
Absolutely. What's your go-to order at this restaurant? Works every time.
I love that. It sounds like I actually live here.
It implies you trust their routine, which people love.
Okay, but what if I want something really special or unique?
Then you need lesson 2, the hidden gem strategy.
A hidden gem? Like a secret treasure?
Sort of. Ask, do you know any hidden gems for live music in the city?
Oh, that sounds way more advanced than just asking for a good place.
It tells the other person you don't want the tourist traps.
Could I use it for shopping too? Like vintage clothes?
Definitely. Are there any hidden gems for vintage shopping nearby?
That is a game changer. What's the third tip?
Lesson 3 is the most valuable because it forces a decision.
I'm listening. How do I force a recommendation?
Use the phrase, if you were me, what would you pick?
That puts them in my shoes. It makes it personal.
Exactly. Instead of a general tip, you get their personal favorite.
So if I'm at a bakery and everything looks good,
You say, everything looks amazing. If you were me, which one would you get?
I bet the staff would actually give me the freshest one then.
They usually do. Now, let's put all of this into a real-life scenario.
Okay, let's pretend I'm a tourist and you're a local in London.
Hey there. You look a bit lost. Can I help you find something?
Actually, yes. I'm looking for a spot for dinner. What's your go-to in this neighborhood?
Oh, there's a great pasta place around the corner that I visit every week.
Sounds nice, but I'm looking for something a bit more unique. Any hidden gems?
Well, there is this tiny underground dim sum place. It's not on the main maps.
That sounds perfect. If you were me, would you go there or the pasta place?
If I were you, I'd definitely hit the dim sum place. It's an experience.
Perfect. Thanks for the tip.
See how much more natural that felt. No robots allowed.
It felt so much more confident. I'm ready to try it.
Now it's your turn. Pause the video and repeat after me, what's your go-to?
Comment below, what is your go-to snack when you're studying English?
Quick recap. 1. Ask for go-tos. 2. Look for hidden gems.
And 3. Ask, if you were me, what would you pick?
Master these and you'll sound like a native in no time.
I feel more fluent already. Can we do another one tomorrow?
You bet. Subscribe for daily English tips. New video every day.
Don't forget to hit the bell icon. See you tomorrow.
Keep practicing, and stay awesome.